Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Synthetix trading and staking on Ethereum, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a digital wallet compatible with Ethereum, such as MetaMask or Coinbase wallet. Download the wallet of your choice and follow the installation instructions. Once installed, create a new wallet and securely save your recovery phrase. After setting up your wallet, fund it with Ethereum by purchasing ETH from an exchange. Next, connect your wallet to the Synthetix platform. Visit the Synthetix website and click on the Launch App button. In the application, look for the option to connect your wallet. Select your wallet provider and grant the necessary permissions to connect. Once connected, navigate to the trade section on the Synthetix platform. Choose the synthetic asset you wish to trade, such as SUSD or SBTC. Enter the amount you wish to buy or sell and review the transaction details. Confirm your trade and authorize the transaction in your wallet. After completing your trades, it's time to explore staking. Click on the Stake section within the Synthetix app. Here, you can stake your SNX tokens, which are used to mint synthetic assets. If you don't already have SNX tokens, you will need to purchase them first. Once you have SNX, return to the staking section. Enter the amount of SNX you wish to stake and confirm the transaction in your wallet. As you stake your SNX, you'll begin earning rewards in the form of SUSD. Regularly monitor your staking rewards and the value of your assets. You can choose to withdraw your rewards or restake them to maximize your earnings. To withdraw your staked SNX, navigate back to the staking section. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Remember to consider gas fees when performing any transactions on the Ethereum network. Ensure to stay updated with Synthetix announcements for any changes to staking rewards or protocols. Lastly, practice good security habits by frequently updating your wallet and monitoring your assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.